Hey guys, welcome back. Every smartphone company is working on some kind of smart glasses and Apple is one of them. And also recently Apple filed a patent for smart glasses. And in this video I'm going to give you the first look of Apple glasses concept. And the concept was shared by Ben Juskin, a well-known leakster, and he have a well record. Apple glasses will work as a head-mounted display and they are not going to distract you when you are looking through them. The concept behind Apple glasses is similar to AR. They will give you some kind of suggestions when you are looking at an object through them, or in case if you are looking at the keyboard as in the concept, they will give you the suggestions of your favorite emojis. Now talking about the display or the glass area of Apple glasses, the display section of Apple glasses is subdivided into three areas. In the center you will get your normal apps, and Apple glasses will work similar to iPhones, but they are not going to replace the iPhone, as they will work as a smart glasses similar to Apple Watch. Now the right section of the display is for the widgets and the left section of the display is for the control center, where you can get the quick shortcuts for your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, calculator, etc. Now talking about this concept is very similar to Apple's patent about Apple glasses. And whenever Apple glasses will come, they will work like this. Not the first generation, but after 2-3 generations, they will work like this very seamlessly. And if we talk about the design of Apple glasses, they are looking very simple and basic. But if this tech comes into Apple glasses, they are really futuristic and very unique. And everyone is going to love them. Now they are not going to launch very soon. There is no news about their launch dates yet. But that's true that Apple is currently working on Apple glasses and they are going to launch it very soon. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, tell me your thoughts in the comment section about Apple glasses and their pricing. What is your expectation about Apple glasses? And I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.